Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a doodle effect in Canva. So to start with, open up the image or design that you want to add the doodle effect to, and I'm going to show you a few different options. So the first one is to change the whole image into a doodle. So Canva makes this really easy to do. All you need to do is click onto your photo so you can see that it's selected. Then we're going to click on edit. From there, scroll down till you see style match and click on see all, and you can see there's a doodle option. So I'm going to click on that, and then Canva will work its magic and change the whole photo into a doodle in one click. It's just so simple, and you can see it's pretty good. It's like kept the photo exactly how it was, and it's turned her into a doodle. If you want to undo that, you can just click the undo button and the photo will change back to what it was before. The other option you have is to add your own doodles to the photo. So I'm going to click on the photo. Then on the left hand side, I'm going to scroll down till I see tools, the little pen icon. So I'm going to click on that, and the top one is draw, and we can add our own doodles to the design. So you have like different pen sizes, so marker, highlighter, and a little bit narrower like a pen. So I'm going to click on that, and you can also change the color. So I'm going to put it on white. Then I can go to my image and I can do my own doodles on to the canvas. So really easy, just use your mouse to do your own doodles, and that's it. That's how to add doodle effect in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.